At number 13, we have, again, one of my favorites, which is the bootleg cut jeans. Now, this is a different take and a different style, obviously, than your skinny jeans, and it brings a whole different inspiration of ideas to your wardrobe. Let me give you an example. You might take your navy blazer with your white V-neck, beautiful high-quality shirt. You might tuck that into your bootleg jeans and wear that with a pair of beautiful nude high heels or your black high heels, which is a staple item we're coming to. But the bootleg jeans is a very different look to the skinny jeans. And I believe I haven't yet met one woman who can't wear a good, well-cut, well-designed pair of bootleg jeans. Again, always start with a darker denim because that is easier to dress down and very easy to dress up, versus a light pair of denim, which if you want to make it formal, it's always a lot more casual and a lot more less dressy if you have light denim. So at number 13 is the well-cut, well-designed bootleg jeans.